Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, it seems like it's doing this C wave now. Already warned about that in the previous video that this could just have been a B wave top, because so far it has only been a 3-wave move up and it failed at the golden ratio, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 83 cents. I then gave you a trend line and said, look, if we break below that trend line, it's really likely the C wave, and it will now depend on the C wave how low it goes to tell us in which scenario we are. If there are a few possibilities now. So if it's forming a higher low now, yeah, and that would need to be a low above 66.9 cents, which is the A wave low, then it could form a triangle eventually, yeah. Basically an A, B, C, D, E pattern, and that would then be the end of the wave 4, a large triangle, okay? But only if it's forming a higher low. So just highlighting it to you so that you know what you need to be watching out for. A higher low would likely lead to a triangle. If it goes below the A wave low, so below 66.9 cents, there are two possibilities. Either it's finding support above 65.9, so just a cent lower. Then it could be still this 4th wave with one more high to come in the 5th wave. Bear in mind there is strong resistance at 95 cents, or if it breaks below that level, the next scenario would be that we're already in the larger 4th wave with then one more high to come in wave 5. But for that, it needs to hold 56.5 cents, right? So again, what could be a key target for the C wave? Can we measure that? I mean, I gave you already the relevant support levels. But we can also use Fibonacci extensions, so we can take the length of the A wave and compare that with the length of the C wave. And to be honest, a very common target is the 100% extension that is at 60.18 cents. So I'm going to add that to the I'm going to add that here now to the chart as a dashed line, and there is the 61.8 extension just before that. And that's at 68.7 cents. So I would pay attention to these two levels. And obviously if it breaks below 65.9 cents, well, it can then just be the 4th wave, the deeper 4th wave, or maybe even something more bearish. I mean, bear in mind, I've said it many times, I'm only focused short term to the upside as long as we're holding the 56.5 cent level. Below that level, I don't have anything bullish really left. I mean, again, it's already a fairly unreliable chart. I did say that, I did warn a bit, but let's see. I mean, at the moment, it's just pulling back. It's just doing this ABC structure most likely, or a triangle, and the levels should be fairly clear. So below 65.9 cents, my first take would be that we're already in circle wave 4 with this sort of deeper support level. But yeah, this is sort of the situation at the moment. The thing is, because this B wave was fairly high and fairly strong, the C wave could also come down quite a bit. So yeah, pay attention when we break below 65.9, below the yellow support area. Then we have first of all 62.3 cents, and then 60.2, and then 56.5 cents as levels to watch. Yeah, there isn't really much more we could look at. I mean, it can always be a 1-2 setup, but that would just be completely unlikely, unreliable. So to have this here as a 1-2 setup, unreliable. This would be too long in a wave 1. But yeah, so these are the two supports below that level, completely unreliable. And then there will likely be structural support below around 45 cents, but that's just structural support. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.